Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Bronco. Ford Bronco. Interior comfort, traction abilities, overall weight balancing, pulling power. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, low tire pressure warning. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.